Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered why the whole world doesn't speak the same language? Let's learn about it in details. Have you ever wondered why people around the world speak so many different languages? Why don't we all speak just one language? The answer is hidden in history, geography, and the nature of human development. Thousands of years ago, human life began in small groups. These groups lived in different parts of the world, some in the forest, some near rivers, other in mountains and desert. At that time, there was no internet, no phones, and no easy way to travel. People were far apart and rarely met each other. Each group developed its own way of speaking. They created words for the things around them, for trees, food, animals, weather, and emotions. Over time, those words became patterns, and those patterns became languages. Because different groups lived in different places and faced different challenges, their languages also grew differently. This process was natural, it was not planned, it simply happened, just like how different plants grow in different parts of the world depending on climate and soil. As centuries passed, these small languages evolved. One language became two, two became 10, and 10 became hundreds. Even when some languages started from same root like Latin, they later grew into completely different languages such as Hindi, English, French, Spanish. Geography played a big role too. Mountains, rivers, and thick forests separated people because they couldn't travel or communicate easily. Languages developed in isolation, like islands. Culture also shaped language. Each group had its own traditions, religion, food, festivals, and way of life. Language became more than just communication, it became identity, and that's why people love their own language so deeply. It connects them to their roots. Today, the world has over 7,000 languages. Some are spoken by millions, some by just a few hundred, but each one holds stories, emotions, and memories passed down through generations. So, why don't we all speak the same language? Because the world grew in different directions, because people lived different lives, because diversity is natural and beautiful. And while we may not all speak the same words, we can still understand each other with kindness, respect, and a sharp sense of humanity. That is the real language that connects the world. Maybe the world doesn't need one language, maybe it just needs understanding.